Our planet gives us so much, but its resources are finite. The solution? Circularity. It refers to practices that optimize the use of scarce raw materials and minimize waste. Unlike a linear economy where products are designed for single use, a circular economy focuses on a smarter, more sustainable life cycle of repair, reuse, refurbishment, remanufacturing, and recycling. Take EV batteries, for example. As demand rose, tons of battery waste needed to be processed. Did you know those batteries can still hold up to 80% of their capacity, ready for a second life? So, we must find ways to repurpose them, like storing energy and stabilizing electric grids powered by solar or wind. And when batteries reach end of life, our solutions boost the efficiency of recycling processes to recover valuable materials and utilize them in new batteries. By reimagining waste, we're not just conserving resources, we're protecting our future.